Hey everybody, this video is going to talk about inferring properties of a polynomial function from its graph. So below we're given a function, f has real coefficients, and we're told to answer the following about f. So the function f is increasing over which intervals? Choose all that apply. Well, increasing, we read from left to right like a book, and we see where it is going up from left to right. So it's going up here and here and here, right? So what are the x values along these y or this function? So I'm going to go from x is -5 to -2. It's increasing there. And then from 2 to 5, it's increasing there. Then it increases again from 8 to infinity. The function f has a local minimum at which x values. Local minimums, if you remember from quadratic functions, they happen at these bottom points. Okay. Where are those x values? Those happen at -5, 2, and 8. What is the sign of the leading coefficient of f? Well, we have a few different shapes, right? We have a possible shape that's going to look like this. It could have more wiggles in the middle. Or like this. It could have more wiggles in the middle. Or we could have this one or this one with some wiggles in the middle, right? But we have something like this one where it opens kind of up, right? We have increasing to the left and increasing to the right. So that means we have an even degree and a positive leading coefficient. Which of the following is a possibility for the degree of f? Choose all that apply. Well, in order to do this one, we have to count how many turns it has. Because a function will have no more than n-1 turns, where n, if you remember, is the highest degree of the function. So how many turns does this have, or how many local maxes or local and local minimums? Well, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means n-1 equals 5. So n equals 6. Now this is the least amount. So we couldn't have 4 because a degree 4 would have 3 turns at most. Okay. Well, it's not 5 because it's an even degree because it opens up. It could be a degree 6, but it also could be a degree 8. Because even though it has 5 turns, an 8-1 would have at most 7 turns. Degree 6 is going to have at most 5 turns. So that is inferring properties of a polynomial.